guys, this is the lolly Brazilian hair from AliExpress. This is a 20-inch, 22 inches, 18-inch and 18-inch closure. So yes guys, we're reviewing this hair. We are reviewing this hair. Okay, so we are reviewing this hair, and this hair is from AliExpress. Okay, and this hair is from AliExpress. So yeah, I installed the hair, put in a few little flexi rod in it just to give it a kind of body wave kind of look, and then I'm just going to put it onto my head. I made the wig and so forth. So okay, yes guys, so this is the hair, lolly hair. I kind of stopped some part in this video, I'm not sure where, but I'll figure out when I edit the video. But I kind of stopped somewhere in this video because something very important came up and I had to, like, you know, deal with that. So yes, this is the hair right now. I went ahead and I kind of straightened it a little bit just cause, yeah, I wanted to show like the true straight kind of vibe of the hair. Yeah, just a little bit. I didn't want too much curl and too much bounce, because I can leave that for another video, like defining the curl and so forth. Yeah. But this is our lolly hair. This is a 20-inch, 18-inch closure. Yes, it's a closure, not a frontal. 18-inch closure, 22 inches, 18 inches, and 20-inch. So I basically put the 18-inch at the back, 20-inch in the middle, and the 22-inch at the top, with the 18-inch frontal closure. Yeah, so this is the hair. I really love this hair. These flexi rods, it came with kind of feels like, yeah, it came with, I don't know, like Peruvian hair in a sense. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not even sure what kind of hair is this. Let me check the kind of hair. Oh, it's Brazilian hair. Oh. So this is lolly hair bundles with closure hair, weave bundles with closure, human hair bundles with closure, Remy hair. Yeah, so yeah, it came free shipping. It's like 100 or 90 something dollars, US dollars, so it's very affordable. I made the wig and it doesn't have any glue, so this is basically a glueless wig without any glue and all of that, because of course it's a closure. Yeah, and I went ahead and I kind of plucked here and so forth. Yeah, because I wanted that effect. Don't want my edges to be showing, because yeah. But this is the hair. It's really nice. It's bouncy. It's giving me life. It can be curled because I tested that. Sure, you saw me when I did the little clip of me releasing the flexi rods from the hair. But this is the hair. Does it shed? Yes, it does. It does shed, I would say. But I don't know if it's not shedding crazily, but it sheds a lot, I would say. And I think maybe because I cut the wefts, so that's the reason why it was like shedding. Yeah, but it's a very nice hair, can be curled, can, you know, and it's very like dense, the density of the hair, very nice, and it's not stiff, you know what I'm saying, full of life and body. So I love that about it. And you know, it's giving me a nice vibe, really, really nice vibe. I'm feeling this look. The hair and so forth. So Just looking what I like. Yeah. What do you think, guys? What do you think about it? Yeah, and it can be curled if you want to. Yeah, so it's really, really nice. Very nice hair from Lolly, and it's like super affordable, so that's a plus. But yeah, this is the hair. I love it. What do you think about it? This is the end. Very nice. I love it. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's just nice. I don't know. It's just nice and pretty, giving me a nice vibe. But yeah, guys.
It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. But this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now I'm on the ground. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. But this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth.
So if you like this video, don't forget to like, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you for this hair from Lolly. Looks really nice.